Experiencing sound issues on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through various troubleshooting steps to help you resolve common sound problems on Windows 11. Whether it's no sound, distorted audio, or any other audio related issue, our step-by-step solution will get your audio back on track. Say goodbye to frustrating sound problems and join us as we troubleshoot and fix them together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. To fix sound problems on Windows 11, Step 1. Check your speaker or headphone connection. Step 2. Ensure the volume is turned up and not muted. Step 3. Update your audio drivers. Step 4. Run the Windows 11 troubleshooter for audio problems. Step 5. Check the sound settings in the control panel. Step 6. Restart your PC. These steps should help resolve common sound issues on Windows 11.